All right, expand and simplify this expression. So it has 3 terms initially. And first I want to expand everything. So first, multiply 3x to each term inside this set of brackets. So 3x times x would be 3x squared. 3x times -4 would be minus 12x. And then multiply negative x to all the terms inside this set of brackets. So negative x times x, so minus x squared. Negative x times 5, so minus 5x. Then I multiply the negative 2x to all the terms inside this set of brackets. So negative 2x times x, so negative 2x squared. And negative 2x times negative 1, so a positive 2x. And I want to find all the like terms and group them together. So that we have 3x squared, we have the negative x squared, and we have the negative 2x squared. So I have a positive 3, I have a positive 3, a negative 1, and negative 2. So basically, they will cancel. 3 minus 1 minus 2 is 0. So cancel everything out. And I have a negative 12x, and a negative 5x, and a positive 2x. So that would be negative 12 minus 5, so negative 17 plus 2. So that would be negative 15x.